We are running at a speedster speed towards the big unveil, the coveted Samsung Galaxy S23 series, which is likely to be held on February 1 next year. While tipster ShrimpApplePro got his hands on a dummy for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, as believed these resembles to the ones that were spotted a few days ago. Based on what details we could decipher from images showcasing the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra dummy, it is a giant phone with a boxy form factor. A pentacamera setup protrudes a tidbit above the back panel, but without any camera bump, just like Galaxy S22 Ultra. A LED flash sits flush neatly between the sensors, completing the look. A 5G mmWave antenna stretches through the entire right side of the device. You will see the bands on top and at the bottom of the dummy phone. There's a holder for S Pen at the bottom alongside the bottom-firing speaker, and a USB-C port and microphone are neatly placed along. The S23 Ultra will have a power button plus a volume rocker on the right, while the SIM tray alone sits on the left side of the brick. One thing that I would point out is the dummy appears to be older. You can clearly spot broken camera lens and dust covering the model. It might be older than the previous leak, although I would caution you to take it with a pinch of salt. The upcoming Numero Uno flagship phone takes a lot of pointers when it comes to the design of its predecessors. On the other hand, its siblings, Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus, will gain the camera design of the S23 Ultra while retaining the design of the curved corners seen on the S22 series. It also loses 2 sensors from the back, so there are just 3 snappers arranged in a vertical stack. For the unversed, this is the same design as that of the dummy tipped earlier. It signals that we are currently moving on the right track with respect to the design, as Samsung hasn't shared it yet. Again, we did get a ton of information on the specifications, signature colors of the trio, and the marketing materials that Samsung will be using to take over the Samsung enthusiasts at the launch. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra S Pen received the ShrimpApplePro certification in Malaysia. This certification is being used to recognize the safety authentication for electric and electronic products. This certification is what makes the customers believe in the product and consider it safe for use. Since the product is all set to crash the market soon, this certification is surely going to help the company increase its sale. So, what are your thoughts on upcoming S23 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.